Welcome. We're in New Orleans at the Lions Center here in the heart of the city. We are hosting the Art and STEM of Mardi Gras. This is one of our biggest STEM Saturdays where kids not only get to participate in the pageantry of Mardi Gras, but they get to learn about the art and the STEM that goes behind putting on our world's greatest show. Today, kids are going to dive into learning with making wheels and axles, learn about the circuitry in the floats, with creating and illuminating their own lights, and they get to walk away with their own built Mardi Gras float. This is not just their normal shoebox float. This is a float that they are going to actually create and decorate. Our kids are also going to be able to compete in a contest where they win $25 for the most creative float. Today couldn't happen without our sponsors. Thank you to the New Orleans Tourism and Culture Foundation. Thank you to NORD.
It has to be activated with two solutions. So you see none of them lighting right now, but when you mix them together,
today is critically important because we need to invest in and engage our young people, engage them at the critical skills, thinking time of their lives so that we can support them and help guide their creativity and the decisions that they'll make of who they'll want to become when they grow up. I believe it is a beautiful blend of art, culture, and STEM, which is all of our sciences, because creativity grows into or blends right into all of our STEM activities as well, and it takes imagination, which I'll claim on the art side, that grows into how well one computes, thinks, and performs on a STEM level.
Mardi Gras, and this is supposed to be the land, and this is supposed to be the water. So it has the animals, and it has the water.
Its name is the Bright Winner. I named it the Bright Winner because it has plenty of lights. The light from last project is here, and a lot more lights.
The STEM Nola parade. Let's go. Welcome to Mardi. Nola, baby,